Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, hello, boys and girls. How do you do today? Are you good? All right, very good. I am playing with the animals on the farm. Can you see there are a lot of animals here? Okay, where am I? On the farm. Yes, I am on the farm. On the farm. Do you want to come and join us? Sure, sure, sure. So let's meet my friends. All right. Let my first animal friends. Here. Oh, what do you see? Yeah, it's a goat. Well done. It's a goat. And what does a goat say? Moo. No? Quack, quack, quack. No? Does it sound like meh, meh? Yes, it's a goat. It's a goat. And the goat says meh. All right, let's see my next animal friends. Okay. Oh, this is, I know you know this. What is it? It's a duck. Very good. It's a duck. It's a duck. It's a duck. And what does a duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Very good. The duck says quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, well done. Now, what is next? Hmm. What's this? Is a cat. Is a cat. And the cat says meow, meow, meow. Is a cat. Is a cat. Well done. Now let's move to the next animal. Oh, clock, clock, clock. Is a, what did you say, a chicken? Hmm, what kind of chicken is it? It's a, yeah, it's a hen. Hen. It's a hen. It's a hen. And the hen says, clack, 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 clack. Yeah. All right, let's move to the next animal. Here, what is it? Is don a donut? No, it's not. What is it? Is it a horse? No. Is it a donkey? Oh yeah, it's a donkey. It's a donkey. And the donkey says, hee haw, hee haw. Okay, that sounds so crazy, right? All right, it's a donkey. Next friend, I guess that you may know it. All right, let's see. It's a, is it horsey? Horsey is a name. And what kind of animal is it? Yeah, it's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. I see a horse on the farm. Okay, well done. It's a horse. Very good. All right. And our last animal. Ooh, what? Is it a dog? No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not a dog. What is that? Is it a cow? Yeah, it's a cow. It's a cow. And what does the cow say? Moo, moo. Cow says moo. Okay, it's a cow. And so now let's practice and see all the animals, right? So we will use the structures. I can see. I can see. I can C, and the name of the animals. Are you ready? Let's start with the first one. Oh, now you say, I can see two goats. I can see two goats. Good. Now you say, I can see two goats. Good job. Next animal. Oh, what can you see? I can see a cat. Well done. I can see a cat. Good job. So, next one. Cluck, 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 cluck. What can you see? I can see hand. One hand? No, two hands? Yeah, I can see two hands. I can see two hands. Good. Next one. Ooh, where did it come from? Yes, what can you see? I can see a I can see a horse. I can see a horse. Good. And oh, hello, cow. Yes, they are cows. Now tell me, what can you see? I can see. How many cows are there? Two. Yes, I can see two cows. I can see two cows. Good job. And what's next? Oh, turning, turning, turning is a donkey. And you say, I can see a donkey. Or you can say, I can see one donkey. I can see one donkey. Or I can see a donkey. It's all right. All right. I can see one donkey. And next one. What can you see? Quack, 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 quack. I can see a duck. Yes, I can see. How many ducks? I'm sorry, how many ducks are there? One. Can you see one duck? And the babies? How many ducks? Totally. They are one, two, three, four. They are four ducks. I can see four ducks. I can see four ducks. Good job. I can see two goats. I can see two cows. I can see two hens. I can see four ducks. But I can see only one horse. I can see one cat. And I can see one donkey. Okay, and the animal wants to play hide and seek with you. Do you want to play hide and seek? Good, all right, so here we go. Let's play a game with all the animals on the farm, right? So, and the farmer wants to play with us and also. Farmer, oh McDonald, where are you? Oh McDonald had a farm. Okay, let's play game hide and seek. Now, there are some animals that they All right, here we are. There are some animals that hiding behind the bushes, and you have to guess who they are by listening to their sound. All right, the first one. What's that? Yeah, I know, it's correct. Next one. Ooh. Oh, what's that? Next one. Cluck, 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 cluck. All right, so now you have to guess where is the animal that sound moo, moo? Where is it? Can you see that? I see its ears, its mouth, and it's a cow. Yeah, the cow that says moo. Where is the cow? Let's see. Here, near the house? No. Let's see. Well done, it's a cow. I can see a cow. I can see a cow. And now can you see the hen that said cluck, 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 cluck? Where is the hen? Where is the hen? Where are you? Is the hen near the tree? No, it's right here. Good. I can see a hen. And what is our last animal friend? Who's that? The true long horns on the head, and he said, meh, meh. What's that? Yeah, it's a goat. Well done. Here is it. I can see a goat. I can see a goat. Very good. Good job. Let's see where are the other animals. And here they are. They are hiding again. And let's see who are they hiding behind the bushes by listening to their sound. The first one, oh, it's a cat. Cat, where are you, cat? Where are you? And the next one, quack, quack. Is it a cat? No. Is it a goat? No. What's this? Yeah, it's a duck. It's a duck. Where is it hiding? We will find out. What's next? Hee-haw, hee-haw, is a donkey. Our last friend. Yes, it's a horse. Oh, here you are. Cat, you want to find other friends with us? Sure, sure, sure. All right. So now let's find out where is the horse. Can you see the horse? Horse, where are you? Cat, can you see where is the horse? Do you think so? Right here between the tree and the house? Okay, we'll find out. Here, yeah, good job. It's a horse. It's a horse. I know you're so smart. And let's find where is the duck? Quack, quack, quack. The duck that says quack, quack, quack. Where is the duck? Cat, what do you think? You think the duck is here? Are you sure? Let's find out. Oh no, it's not. It's a donkey. It's a donkey. It's not the duck. Horsey, donkey, cat. Where is the duck? Where is it? Oh, yeah, of course. Here it is. Here is the duck. Here is the duck. Well done. So you found all the animals hiding behind the trees. Okay, well done. And it's also late now. I have to go back to my home and we will play with the animals next time when we're in the class. Okay, good job, everyone. So now, oh, we have to say goodbye to each other and goodbye to the other animals on the farm. Okay, let's say goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.